Market participants are piling in on LHDX stock. This is because the company, amongst other things, got an approval from the FDA for its COVID-19 and flu testing device, and also it also filed for bankruptcy on the 22nd of February. That was the 22nd of February was Wednesday. That was about a week ago. So the company plans to sell itself alone. It's planning to sell the company on its own alone. So probably market participants feel that something's going to come out of that. That's why they have continued to pile in money into the stock. Since Friday the 24th, it's been rallying consistently non-stop. Today you can see volume. It's definitely the most active stock in this session of the 1st of March 2023. Over 139 million shares have crossed the tape and counting. Yes, that's what is behind this rally, amongst other things. 148.3 million shares. The stock is rallying within a longer term bearish trend, and at some point in this session it crossed its 200-day moving average of $1.31. So yes, it's market participants feel that something's going to come out of the stock. As I mentioned earlier on, it's planning to sell the company. The management of the company is planning to sell the company, so maybe they're seeing something there. We have seen that short interest is not so high, but in the dark pools it is around 50% or thereabouts. So there's something they see there, even if it's a day trade opportunity for them. That's what we are looking at here. So it doesn't have, for some reason, it just has one downward projection of $0.48 and then upward projection of 2.61 on its daily chart. Can it get there? Will it get there? What are the chances? It has been rallying, so there's probability of it not not holding this sort of level is quite high because of the fact that it has rallied a huge lot. So, but it doesn't. Not just the probability. It may continue to rally and extend. On its daily chart, on its 1 minute live chart, we have that's $1.13. This is just slightly above its 200-day moving average, but it has downward projections of all the way towards $0.84, 0.92. Yeah, so market participants are making the most of the stock. It's quite popular. It's buzzing at the moment. They're trying to see what they're going to make out of it. It has filed for bankruptcy. So amongst other things, these are the sort of things we see when stocks file for bankruptcy, and at the same time as well, given this approval it got from the FDA for its COVID-19 device. You can see what they're saying here on Nasdaq. What are they saying about that? You can see that Lucira went public in February of 2021. Okay, it says here okay, while the FDA while it blames the FDA for its slow approval of its combo test. So the company was expecting the FDA to approve that combo test as of August 2022, and it didn't happen. So they're now saying while it blames the FDA for its slow approval of its combo test, the company has still been selling its COVID-19 tests, which competes with rapid tests from Abbott Laboratories, Becton, Dixon and Co. Becton, Dixon and Co. and Quidel Ortho Corp. Okay, the delay caused them to miss the 2020-2023 flu season despite Canada approving the combo test. The bottom line is that the demand has been falling for COVID-19 as COVID-19 falls further into the rear view mirror. So yes, that's what's going on with the stock. Okay, so we have, like I pointed out earlier on, is riding within a longer term bearish trend. We have upper projections on its 1 minute live chart, or upper projection of 1.13. On its daily chart, it's about $2 and some fraction. On its daily chart, we have 2.61, but also downward projection is 0.46. So be careful with this one. Know how you're going to play it. It has filed for bankruptcy. It may not mean that time. The shares will totally disappear. It may still be available to be traded, and they may or may not succeed in selling the company. And if they sell it, they may not go public. It may or may not go private. But as things stand right now, it's still a stock that is trading on Nasdaq, and market participants are making the most of it. So be careful, know how you're going to play it if you want to get involved, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.